Welcome to Introduction to Internet for Class 3 Computers. Today, we will learn how the Internet works. Get ready for fun learning as we explore the digital world together. Let's begin by discovering what we will learn today. We'll cover everything from networks to websites, browsers, and more. Roads connect towns, villages, and cities, so people and vehicles can travel between them. A road network is shared by everyone. It does not belong to just one person. In the same way, a computer network connects many computers, so they can share information. Remember, a network is shared by everyone. A computer network is a collection of computers and devices connected together so they can talk to each other. Everyone on the network can share devices, like a printer, and information stored on the computers. Networks help us share. The Internet is one huge network made up of many different computer networks connected together around the world. It lets anyone, anywhere, share and exchange information, chatting, shopping, watching videos, or reading and researching. The Internet connects us all. The Internet has many uses. You can email friends, watch videos, play games, find information, and so much more to explore. Many people and organizations create information and store it on computers around the world. This huge network of computers, full of information, is called the World Wide Web, or WWW. Did you know? The World Wide Web was created by Tim Berners-Lee, a British engineer and computer scientist, in 1989. A website is a collection of many related pages of information, grouped under one common name. You can view all its pages by visiting the main page of the website. A website is many web pages together. A web page is a single page of a website. It contains information in the form of text, images, audio, and video. One web page is one screen of information. A web browser is software used to display the information stored on a web page or website. Some popular browsers are Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Browsers open the web for us. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Every website has its own unique address on the World Wide Web, called the web address or URL. For example, www.nationalgeographic.com. In the address bar of the browser, you'll see something like https://www.example.com. This is a URL. https:// means a safe website. www stands for World Wide Web. .com is the type of website. Every website has its own URL. A hyperlink is a graphic or piece of text on a web page that takes you to another web page when clicked. The World Wide Web has billions of pages, all linked together by hyperlinks. That's how we browse from page to page. Click links to explore the web. A search engine is a special website that searches for documents and pages using the keywords you type. It shows results as clickable links to text, images, sound, maps, or videos. Examples include Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Did you know? Veronica was the first text-based search engine, letting users search using keywords. The web has billions of websites. We can't remember every address. You can bookmark a page so you can visit it again without typing. To bookmark, click the three dots at the top right of the browser and select Bookmarks. Then, select the Bookmark This Page option. Click Done in the box that appears to save the address. Bookmarks save your favorites. There are so many fun uses of the Internet. Play online games with friends around the world. Explore websites to discover animals, places, and facts. Create comic strips and funny stories online. Watch videos, shop online, and chat with friends through email or messages. The Internet is a place for learning and fun. Let's review what we learned today. The Internet is a big network of computers. The World Wide Web is a huge collection of information. A website is a group of web pages. A browser opens web pages. A URL is a website address. Search engines help us find information online. Keep exploring the Internet, safely and smartly. Remember to review this material again for even more confidence.